Well, welcome back to video 7. I knew you were going to be here. We're going to be having a look at the opt-in form code so that you can put that into your opt-in page, squeeze page or whatever, or you could actually use the subscribe.php that we've supplied for you. So let's go and do that. Let's get the code. So you've either re-logged back into your admin area or you've got your admin area open. We need to go to the form code column there and click on the blue button, form code, and voila, there you go. There's the form code. We just need to copy and paste that into the opt-in page, subscribe page, or squeeze page, whatever it is that you got set up. But we're going to be putting this into the subscribe.php that was supplied. So we're going to go into the folder, go into the subscribe.php. Let's just bring this over a little bit, scroll up and bring it over a little bit more. There's where we need to put the code in. It's virtually the same code because I've already been playing around with it, so we're just going to copy and paste it into there, and we need to save it. Fantastic. Now we need to upload that to our server, so you can just do that with your FTP client and then bring the subscribe.php up. Okay, so there we are. There's the subscribe.php off of my domain in the subfolder. Okay, so there's nothing fancy about it. Of course, you need to make it a little bit better than that because not very many people are going to just sign up on that. Well, some may not, but you want to have a really good squeeze page with whatever you're giving away. So, but for this tutorial, we're just going to run with this. So I've already put all the fields in, so we're just going to click on send now. And I forgot I was mucking around just before and I didn't clean my email address out, so let's go and do that. Alright, so now that I've cleaned the database, we're just going to refresh the page, and there you go. So there's the first message on the confirmation page. It just virtually tells you that this is the subject line of the email being sent, and that they need to click on the link inside because this is a double opt-in. Okay, so I don't know why the page keeps on flicking around like that, but hey, that's okay, we can handle that. So let's go log into my email client, and there we are. It has the very first message. Remember that we set up, so it's come from My Software Recipes. It's personalized it with my name in there, and you can see other people also use personalization. So this is just received a request, very much like your Aweber type message, to tell people, hey, you got to confirm on the link before we can send you any information. This part in here is my own, so you can customize that as much as you like. It's just virtually telling people that what's going to happen. I'm going to be sending them messages. It could be information, or it could be an offer, and if they don't like that idea, please don't confirm. And then down here it just says confirms with them what information was captured when they submitted the form. Okay, and then down the bottom here is just well, it's more about you and your company information. Okay, so let's go and confirm. I love this part. I love people confirming. Okay, so this is the verify page now. So this just says virtually thank you, and we've sent them valuable information, so you can customize that also in the subject messages, or the subscribers messages I should say. So this form virtually tells them how to whitelist your email address and your domains with all the different email ISPs out there, and spam filters and that sort of carry on. All right, so no need to change anything on here. Okay, so let's go back into my email client, because there should be another message there, like the very first one, if you remember rightly, that we set up. So this is the 0 message. So there we go. We haven't set up the top add swap add, so that's why that's blank there. So we will be doing that before long. This is the message, remember, that we set up, your very first message. These are hard coded into the autoresponder, so this is when you're sending out an email, it tell people how to go and get their own free autoresponder, and you can click on this link here and go tell a few more friends, and your people that you're emailing can go and tell friends about the autoresponder as well. And there's quite a good incentive there for you to do that, so you just click on that link and go have a look at it. And this is the disclaimer. This is you're receiving this message because you're a subscriber of My Software Recipes. The name, the IP address, the date joined, the confirmation validation code that was used, and that's always saved, and then the email client email address, and then the name of the list that they actually subscribe to. And then this is the FTC's material connection disclosure. That's all prefigured for you as well. And then when you come down here, they can change their email address if they wish, or they can click on this link and get deleted immediately. There's no oops, should have done that, because it's all over Rover, as the saying goes. All right, so let's just go have a look at what this here is. This is just so that we can actually go and change our email address. Some people close email addresses and they want to put a new one in, so let's just say we use this one here, and we can update. It tells us that we've successfully updated it to that email address. I wouldn't if I were you, because it would just keep on bouncing around. This is just a bogus email address. So we're going to set it back to Gmail and update. Okay, so I'm actually going to unsubscribe so you can see what actually happens. It is immediate. There's no forgiving. Okay, so snazyarty@gmail.com was successfully unsubscribed from the list Ron's List Builder _subscribers. Okay, so that's everything about your form code and the messages that are going out and the links that are inside the messages. So the next video we're going to be coming back to is video 8 on how to run a manual cron job. Catch you on the other side.